In a peaceful pond, nestled in a lush green forest, lived a small Dobsonfly larva named Dabby. Dabby was different from the other larvae. He was large and had a fearsome appearance. One day, a group of smaller larvae, led by a bossy little fellow named Dippy, began to bully Dabby. They taunted him, calling him names and pushing him around. Dabby tried to ignore them, but their teasing grew worse each day. One day, Dabby could not take it anymore. He felt small, insignificant, and alone. He wondered if he was meant to be a lonely outcast, never to fit in with the others. As Dabby sat by the pond, feeling sorry for himself, an old wise turtle named Tilly came by. She noticed Dabby's sadness and asked what was wrong. Dabby told Tilly about the bullying and his feelings of loneliness. Tilly listened carefully and then spoke, "Life is not always fair, Dabby. But remember, it is how we respond to the challenges we face that truly defines us. You have a unique purpose, and it is not to conform to the whims of bullies." Dabby thought about Tilly's words. He realized that he had let the bullying get to him, and he had allowed it to change the way he saw himself. He resolved to stand tall and be true to himself, even if it meant being different. With newfound courage, Dabby stood up to Dippy and his friends. He no longer let their taunts and insults affect him. Instead, he focused on his own growth and development, knowing that his metamorphosis was his true path. The other larvae were surprised at Dabby's transformation. They saw him standing tall and proud, and they began to respect him. Dabby no longer felt alone, and he realized that he had found his place in the pond, not as a follower, but as a leader. In time, Dabby became a beautiful Dobsonfly, with wings that shimmered in the sunlight. He looked back at the pond, where he had once felt small and insignificant, and he knew that he had grown into something truly special. The moral of the story is that it is important to always stay true to yourself and not let others define you. It is how you respond to challenges that truly defines you, and it is never too late to change your path and find your place in the world.